Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Quick Tech. So today's session is about how to install Notepad++ and what are the difference between simple Notepad and Notepad++ and what are the extra features we get with this Notepad++ installer. So let's start our video. First of all, we need a setup which we get on Google Chrome easily, or I will share the link for the same in the description. Just click on the link and you will directly go to the download page. Click on the installer you want or the version you want. Once installer is downloaded, just double click on the installer. It will ask for the admin rights. Just click on yes. So our installer GUI is open. Now it is asking for us to select a language, whatever you want to prefer. It's depend on you. Just select the language. I'm selecting the English language here. Click on OK. So the setup will guide you through the installation of Notepad++ for version 7.6.3. So it is recommended that you close all the other applications before starting setup. This will make it possible to update relevant system files without having to reboot your computer. So it is the most important thing. You should read the warning which are given before the installation. So it is recommending that we need to close all the application while installing this Notepad++ because it do the changes within these system files. So after reading this recommendation, just click on next to continue with the setup. So these are the agreements. If you want to read, just go for it. Once agreement is completed, then just click on agree button to accept the agreement. Just click on I agree. So this is our third page where it is asking to choose the installation location. Right now I am having only one location, that is C drive. So I am installing the Notepad++ installer on a C drive under the C program files. The space required for this installer is 13.3 MB. Total space available is 14.4 GB. So it is a small installer for our installation. Just click on next. So it is asking for the components, means which are the features we need to install with this Notepad++ installer. By default localization, this checkbox was unchecked. Just click on this checkbox and click on next option. On this page it is asking us, do we need this setup on our desktop as a shortcut? If you want this, just click on the checkbox, click on the install button. I do not prefer or recommend anyone to use this second option. Just click on install button. After installation, you will able to see this type of window of a Notepad++. So the most important feature and the difference between the Notepad++ is, while we are using a simple Notepad, you will get the difference that here is a one panel and I have opened the two Notepad in a Notepad++, but if we are using a Windows by default Notepad, we can able to use only one Notepad at a time. There will be a so burden if we use multiple Notepad, okay, like this. It will cover up the screen and this is the waste of time. And the second thing is that if I am editing something within the Notepad and suddenly our system got stopped or rebooted, so then whatever the important data you have entered, it will directly get cancelled and it will don't save your data. But in Notepad++ it is not like that. If I enter the data, whatever data it will be, if I close the Notepad, then it will does not harm to my data. If I reboot my system also, did you find this? My data is remains same till if I have to close the Notepad panel. Okay, so this is the important feature. And the second feature is that we don't need to go within edit or option to zoom our characters. We just need to press Ctrl button and plus button to increase the font size. We are getting multiple features, like I want to enter the same data in a 5 row. So we just need to press the button Shift plus Alt button, try to cover the row. Like I want to enter within a 5 row the same data, so I am writing the same data within a 5 row. With the help of this, we can able to do our coding or rest of the part in which we are having a similar sentence or similar code. Then it will be a very helpful for us while writing same data at a time. So these are the features, common features which Notepad++ is providing us. So our session ends here. Hope you like our video. If you like, please subscribe and stay tuned with us, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get our latest video updates with you. Thanks for watching our video. Just go for it for the installation on your desktop and try to find out the new features. I will also update for the same, and I also provide download link for the Notepad++. Just go for it. See you guys. Bye. Thank you.